Hi, welcome back to the fastest book club out there with book recommendation in under 60 seconds. I'm Volker Hack and this episode is about the new book from Bradley Kirkman and Adam Stoverink called Unbreakable, Building and Leading Resilient Teams. Resilience is definitely a buzzword in these VUCA days, but articles and books usually only cover individual resilience. The authors, however, go a step further and provide hands-on practical tips for building and leading resilient teams that can bounce back from adversity quickly. The authors highlight 4 team resources that are essential for resilient teams. Team confidence, effective team response plans where every team member knows their role, capacity to improvise, and psychological safety. The book provides a lot of tips how to build these resources in your team and exemplifies them using a storytelling approach. The book is a great read. Pick it up this weekend. You will not regret it. Bye for now. Hope to see you next time.